Litecoin is forecasted to climb 5.3% by tomorrow, Gulf Capital Collector reports. Let's take a second to assess the current momentum. Today, Litecoin has gone down 2.5% and is now sitting around $46.52. Let's move forward to expert forecasts. Gulf Capital Collector believes the price could be at $48.97 by July 23, which is nearly 5.3% higher. 30 Rates believes Litecoin could move downward toward $46.37, a potential drop near 0.3%. Traders Union notes the price could decline to $46.01, marking a decrease close to 1.1%. Another prediction by CoinDataFlow expects Litecoin may sink to $45.44, roughly 2.3% below now. And finally, Crypto Predictions highlights a move toward $41.59 by tomorrow, representing a loss of 10.6%. This stands as the most profitable forecast in today's lineup. That wraps up 5 expert takes. Let's go on. We've seen the forecasts. Now let's measure what they suggest. Based on current forecasts, we might see changes from a decrease of 10.6% to an increase of 5.3%. As the data shows, Crypto Predictions offers the top projected return with 10.6% growth in value by July 23. This means you could collect between $3 and $106 for every $1,000 you invest. In terms of odds, 30 Rates ranks highest with a 83.3% chance of success. Looking at the full set of forecasts, I've put together a consensus outlook. Consensus data suggests Litecoin could lose around 1.8% in value. Here's what the details look like. Consensus analysis indicates the price could slip by 1.8%. To keep it simple, your capital could also show growth of roughly 1.8% alongside that move. A 1,000 example position may imply potential gains near $18. So the chance of the consensus forecast playing out stands near 70.2%. Let's quickly review the 3-day forecast before moving on. A move higher is suggested by Gulf Capital Collector. A flat trend is suggested by 30 Rates. Traders Union views the short-term path as moving upward. CoinDataFlow expects Litecoin to decline steadily. Likewise, Crypto Predictions signals a short-term move lower. Consensus estimates reflect Litecoin under pressure, with prices expected to fall during the 3-day period. Taken together, most analysts expect Litecoin to move higher. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts were made. Let's check which ones matched the move. As a result, the price ended the day at $46.86. Every prediction missed the actual move. The closest prediction came from CoinDataFlow. Now it's time to break it into parts. The market's range excluded all forecasts. Looking at ROI, all forecasts closed in the red this time. Now appearing is the full summary, the verified outcome for all analysts. In the data, CoinCodex shows 9.2% forecast probability and minus 0.3% ROI. Try to spot whose forecast turned out the most precise. Let's see how tomorrow's forecast-based returns vary between Litecoin and several others. Chronos shows the strongest forecast at 3.2% and Litecoin ranks below. Currently, Litecoin is compared with 4 random cryptocurrencies. The broader comparison for many others is already listed on my website. And that's a wrap. If you found this useful, hit that like button. It helps more than you think. Catch you in the next summary.